Dear friends, neighbours and community members, recent events that have unfolded in Gaza in Palestine have demonstrated for us the strength of faith that the people of Gaza have. Have you ever wondered where the people of Gaza have derived the strength of their faith from? Many people around the world have been led to opening up the Quran and inquiring, what is this faith and what is Islam? Have you ever wondered why Islam is fastly growing in the West? Have you ever wondered what the inside of a mosque looks like? Have you ever had the question, what does Islam say about women? What does Islam say about Jesus? Have you ever wondered what Muslims think about violence and terrorism? All these and many more questions that you have will be answered and can be answered. I want to invite all of you to Islamic Society of Baltimore's open house on the 9th of December at 5 p.m, where we'll be engaging with one another and taking a tour of the mosque and answering your questions. This invitation is open to all, regardless of your faith background. Please bring your families and your friends along. Looking forward to seeing all of you there.